Okay, number 24 in your assignment today. In the diagram, GH bisects FGI. Alright? They're also marked here. So what do you know about these two angles? Good, they're congruent. So what do you know about 3x minus 3? Very good. Okay? Solve for x. Subtract 3x from each side. Add 14 to each side. And you're going to get x equals something. That's your answer A. Solve for x. Find the measure of FGH. FGH is right here. You're going to be finding this angle measure. That means you take the value of x from solving this equation and you plug it in for the x right here. That'll give you this angle, won't it? Once you have that angle, what's the measure of this angle? It's going to be the same because they're congruent. So you're going to get FGH by solving for x and then substituting. Find the measure of HGI. HGI. It's the other angle. It's the same as the first one, isn't it? They're congruent. So you're done with B. Find the measure of FGI. Well, that's the big angle here. How can you find the measure of the whole angle if you know the two smaller ones? Add them together, or you can take one of them and multiply it by 2, can't you? Okay, because they're the same. That's how you do problem 24. Clear? Now, for problem 25, if you look at it, for 25 through 28, they don't give you a picture. They tell you that BD bisects angle ABC, solve for x, and find the measure of ABC for each of these 4 different problems. So what I highly recommend you do is draw the picture. If you draw this picture, all right, you can label this ABC. And you're told that BD bisects ABC. So if you add BD and get it to where both angles are congruent, then this is going to be D, right? Now, what do you know about the two angles? They're congruent because BD bisects the big angle. So that is equal to that. Now fill in your information. ABD is equal to 5x. So ABD is 5x. DBC is equal to 3x plus 10. And now it's the same as the problem before, isn't it? Okay? Because 5x is equal to 3x plus 10. Solve for x, and then find ABC, which is the big angle. Now, if you look at this, you can use the same drawing for problem 26, but look at the information now. ABC is 4x minus 12. Which one is ABC? Very good. It's the whole thing. So this whole angle for number 26, the whole thing is equal to 4x minus 12. One of the little ones, ABD, which is here, isn't it? What's that equal to? All right, so try to stay with me. If ABD is 24 and DBC is congruent to it, what does this measure? 24. What is the whole angle equal to? The whole angle equals 48. So in this case, you know that ABC is 48, but how would you solve for x? Could you say 4x minus 12 equals 48, right? Exactly. Add 12, divide by 4, and solve for x. 27 and 28, they're going to refer to the same drawing, but your steps are going to be a little bit different. On 27, ABD, this little one, ABD is 4x minus 16. So fill it in. CBD is 2x plus 6. CBD, all right, 2x plus 6. What does that look like? Looks like number 25 again, doesn't it? They're equal to each other. So set them equal to each other, solve for x, find one of the angles, multiply it by 2, and it gives you the big angle. And then on 28, ABD is 3x plus 20. CBD is 6x minus 16. Same format. Okay? Agreed? Any questions on any of those 5 problems? Alright, if you have a question, once you start the assignment, let me know and I'll help you out. Make sure you got all of yesterday's assignment finished because there was homework last night. Okay? This is going to be on page 41. You're doing 24 through 28 today. You've also got to check headline. Okay? And the odds. Check your odds as you're doing this assignment. Any questions?